Once again, welcome to all the people who have joined. Today's class attendance is only 50 out of 75, 25 people. I don't understand the reason why they haven't joined, but still, if they are really having some problem in joining, we will share the recorded version after the class is completed. So, exchanging pleasantries with the people he met on the way, Bayaji reached the public building called Takya in the untouchable settlement. So, Takya is the place where the Mahar community have settled. The building was named as the Vihar because they follow the principles of Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha said emancipation, okay, not possessing worldly pleasures, love your fellow being as you love yourself, okay, be very polite, always have a spiritual life. This is what Gautam Buddha has preached us, okay. We should not be tempted by looking worldly pleasures. We should not show love and affection on materialistic things, cards, buildings, whatever it is. We should show spiritualness to God. At the same time, we should also help the people who are in need of money or who are in need of help. So all the children who are playing with the rags, they cried out, Baiju Nana is here, and Baiju Nana is here. That's what in the previous class I told, that whenever you go to a village after a long span of time, small children who look at you, they immediately rush to your house, and before you going there only, they'll give you the information that your son is coming or your daughter is coming or some kind of your relatives are coming. This information goes very quicker than you. So Baju Nana is here, Baju Nana is here, scampered in the direction. They got scattered here and there. They kept on running to the direction of Bayaji's house. Bayaji's 85-year-old mother quickly scrambled to her feet. Somehow she got up when she heard the news that the son is returning back after a long time working in Bombay. Now you complete your intermediate for 2 years after 10th and you'll be in complete hostel. Okay, you didn't get a chance to meet your parents, or you are not having an outing, or you might not be having a homesick. And after completing your 2 years of intermediate, and when you return back to your own residential place or your native place, just see the kind of the unknown happiness on the face of your mother and father. They feel so delighted that as they have achieved something. So that's the true love and affection what parents have on children. Bayaji's mother, the moment she heard that Baiju Nana is coming from the children, and the voice, the children were just shouting that Bayaji is returning back. She was, though she is 85 years of old, she just got up to her feet. Okay, of course she was aged much of 85, but her old tone frame was still sturdy. Though she looks old, she's still strong. That's what older generation are far better than the present generation. She was very sturdy, and her teeth were strong enough to break the grams. If you give peanuts, batani or something like that, she's going to break them into, or crush them into pieces, or grind them into pieces, because her teeth was very strong. She could thread a needle with the help of, without any help. Nowadays, when you wanted to stitch a button or something like that, you take the opening of the needle and you keep on seeing where is the hole to insert the thread. But she's very, very, very quick and very fast. I mean, she has a very good eyesight. Okay. When she heard of Bayaji's arrival, her heart swelled. Rakshita, any doubt? Okay, the 55 people have joined. Very good. Good. Okay, so when she heard of Bayaji's arrival, her heart swelled. I mean, heart swelled means, it's swelling means bulging in the sense, I mean, our happiness has increased more and more. We put a puri in oil, how it bulges, okay, like a balloon. Similarly, the mother joy has been magnified more and more when she heard that her son is returning back. Everybody's mother and father feels delighted, or they'll not be able to control their happiness when they see their son coming back to their home after a long time. Just imagine Diwali is a festival of colors to some people. Okay, and on that festival day or on that occasion of that eve, if somebody returns, or on a festival like Christmas or something like, any of the festivals, when people return, they feel very happy. As Bayaji came in, his wife concealed her joy with the end of her sari and took down the box from his head. So actually, Bayaji's mother was feeling very happy. Now, being a mother, she was very happy looking at the son's arrival. Now, Bayaji's wife, actually, she is also equally delighted like mother, like her mother-in-law. But she concealed. I mean, she just, what you say, she was hiding her love and affection towards her husband. I mean, already Attagaru is there. So in front of Attagaru, if she also goes and say, "Oh, my husband, I become after a long time," and if she jumps and shows her love and affection, mother-in-law, what is this girl? Just something like childish or something like that. So she concealed her joy. I mean, her happiness was hidden with the end of her sari. She just covered herself with the sari, and she was feeling inside very happily that my husband has come back after a long days working in the dakia, and took down the box from his head. He was carrying the luggage, so that luggage, she kept it down. His grandchildren clung to him and began to twist the folds of his dhoti. Why do small children, they don't control their emotion? Now, when I used to go to my grandfather, or when my grandfather used to come to my house after a long time, immediately I check his pockets, because I expect that he has brought something for me all the way from his village. I think you might have also done. When your grandparents come, or when uncle or aunt, somebody comes, don't you expect something? Maybe a kind of sweet, or maybe a kind of toy for you. So same thing, the grandchildren of Bayaji's sons and daughters, they were already married. So their children, they were, twisting completely. They were folding and just feeling the presence in the pockets that grandfather might have brought something. They clung to him. They just jumped and they caught him. Okay, small children, when they show when they feel happy, when they look at their mother, they feel delighted, and they jump and sit on, in the lap of the mother, expressing their happiness. Similarly, these people jumped towards him, and they began to twist the folds of the dhoti. I mean, where is the pocket? They were eagerly checking the pocket, expecting that grandfather might have brought something for them. Okay. The neighboring children watched the scene in idle curiosity. The other children, okay, the nearby neighborhood children, they were looking at these children. Arey, Bayaji has come. Okay, my friend's grandfather has come. Might be he has brought something with a lot of eagerness. What would be there in the pockets? In the pockets of the dhoti? What did Bayaji brought for the grandchildren? Even they were idle, just quiet, and they were looking with a lot of enthusiasm what is going to be out. Come, get into the house, children, said Bayaji. Bayaji said, why are we waiting outside the house at the entrance? Let's go inside. His mother walked out with a bent back, I mean, little bit stooping, okay, and told Bayaji to wait outside the door. Bayaji obeyed. Bayaji is 65 and mother is 85, and the moment mother said to stop, okay, in front of the entrance, Bayaji immediately obeyed the instruction given by his mother. So we should always have that respect, have that humbleness, or that we should surrender ourselves to our parents, because they have given us birth, and whatever we are today, I mean, the education, the food, and the kind of life or career, it's only happening because of the hard work that is invested by the mother and father. Other people come in our life, they are not much important, but always we should first be always grateful, we should be thankful, and we should be very loyal to our parents. And when Bayaji's mother said, please wait there, Bayaji immediately obeyed or followed the instructions given by his mother. The old woman came forward, poured some water over a piece of bread in her hand. She took a small piece of bread, just poured some water on the piece of bread, moved it around Bayaji's face, and clung it as an offering. Jisti only, yeah. A bad eye look, something like that they say. So when you are when you are infant, or when you are a small child, when you have stomach ache, mother used to take some salt in the hand and rotate like this, and then throw it outside, or throw it in the burning fire, not to have the what you say, the bad the reflection of the people fall on you. It's a belief that, don't know whether it works or not. So she also took some bread, poured some water, and she just rotated around Bayaji's face, and she kept it as a offering. Nowadays people also bring big pumpkin and ding 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 like that, and then they break it outside the house. So flung it as an offering. Okay, she ran her palms over his cheeks and pressed her fingers on a temple. Temple is here. This place is called temple. All 8 fingers gave out a cracking sound. If one I got her. Okay. So when I go to my child, my son, or when I go to my mother, they show their love and affection. What do? They take that hands like this, put it on their head near the temple, and they just press like this. And out of 10 fingers, 8 fingers gave a cracking sound. The more the sound, the more affection they have. Again, it's a customary belief that they feel that when the cracking of the fingers is done, they really have love on their people. All 8 fingers gave out a cracking sound. Okay, now you go to your mother or go to your father and just do like this. Let's see how many fingers were cracking or the sound, how much the intensity, the sound is felt. Bayaji's family was doing well. They were all good, disciplined. Okay, was doing well. He had 8 children in all. My God, 8 children, whole generation. So they had 8 children in all, 6 sons and 2 daughters. He has 6 sons and 2 daughters. Big team. Okay. The daughters had been married off and had given birth to children. So daughters are already married and they also have children. They have given birth to children. The elder son look after the fields. The elder son is for any father. The elder son is just like a strong pillar. Okay, he occupies the place after the father in the family. Who? The elder son. So elder son was taking care of all the agriculture work. He was just taking care of the fields. The next 2 sons were in government service. My God, Bayaji has given them good quality of education and they are well settled in a government job. So one is looking at the field, the elder one, okay, who is very close to the father, who is very responsible for father's duties. So he was taking care of the fields, and the next 2 children are in government service. The one after them was a school teacher. So great, even school teacher is great because it's teachers who give you knowledge. Okay, after parents, teachers and parents are just like your parents. Even teachers are like a father and mother or a brother. Okay, because even we tell you, like we also treat you like our children. Okay, and the 6th one was still studying, and the younger one, might be the last one, he was still continuing his studies. Since they knew that Bayaji was coming home for good, the elder son in service and the 2 daughters were already home to greet him. Knowing that the father is going to return back after a long time, information is even given to the 2 daughters, and the 2 daughters from the in-laws' house. I mean, Atgarintikali, they have come to their parents' house. And even the elder son just gave off. I mean, he just wanted to give away from the work and just wanted to receive his father because he has to be there, okay, when his father is arriving to his village to greet him. All of them wondered that their family had got for them from his lifetime earning. So everybody is expecting. Father has turned, 65 retirement age, and he has given the, retirement, and he has got some fund amount, and every child and every son and daughter of Bayaji were expecting that father is going to give them something. It's not out of greed, it's just out of their love and affection because they are very disciplined. When Bayaji obeyed his mother, being 65 years, when he obeyed his mother, it's clear understanding that their family love each and everyone equally and they obey their elders. Now they are not expecting anything with greed, but as he has written, they were expecting that father might have brought them some presents. The next day when Bayaji opened the box, it revealed only some pots and pans, nails and photographs. Kankpeta. The box was open, but in that you don't have any saris, you don't have any ornaments, you don't have any jewelry. You just only have the pans, cooking pans, pots, nails, and some photographs. Looking at this, the elder daughter asked, Nana, how is it that you haven't brought anything for us? Elder daughter is also more responsible. She has to take care of the family. Now, being an elder daughter, you should you should not feel that you are still younger one. You already have your children. Okay. How is it that you haven't brought us anything? So Bayazid was little, surprised that his daughter thought in a childish manner. Now I should not expect anything from my father. Why I should not expect anything from my father? Because I'm grown up. I have a kid. My kid should expect. Okay, grandfather has come, maybe something, chocolate or biscuit or something like that, right? But if I also behave like a small kid and ask, it little, it puzzles the father. Why my daughter is asking in a childish way? So he felt it like that. Okay. Even after they had children of their own, they have their children, but still the elder daughter has questioned father in a childish. He ran his eyes all over the children and said, okay, just looked at everybody. Peddodu, Chinnodu, okay, all daughters, grandchildren, including his mother. He had a glance at everyone and said, look here, children. If I had brought new clothes for you, they would tear. If I have brought new clothes, after a year or 2 or 3, they will worn away and they'll be torn, right? If I had brought an ornament, maybe a necklace or a bracelet or an anklet or something like that, okay, it would soon wear out. Nothing is permanent, nothing can replace the love and affection that is shown by the parents. Not the jewels, not the wealth, not the materialistic things. It's only their love. The way they treat you, that's worthless. You cannot value the love of your parents. Out of my earnings, he said, I wish you to have something that lasts longer. Bangaram techna, battal techna, they won't be for a longer time. Okay, it's just a span of time. But I wanted to give you something which is going to last longer. Okay, even in my absence, it should be with you. Bayaji paused after these words. His eldest son was godly. He said, neither we nor our wives want anything. See, that's what eldest son never expects anything from father, because he knows the hard work of the father. Okay, he has seen how hard his father has worked. For every father, the eldest son is a replica. He will be just like his father. He will not expect. He will see that. He said very godly, very politely. He said, neither we, okay, the sons of you, we are not expecting, even our wives also. Good relation. No? Nowadays, in some families, wives keep on, poking their husbands, Vala kadundi, Vila kadundi, we are not having. That's not correct. Okay. We should work hard and we should earn everything. Okay. But we should not expect anything in return, because the life is given by parent, education is given by parent, a career is given by parent. So we need to work hard and improve ourselves. Okay. If they give, that's the secondary thing. But so Bayaji said, neither we nor our wives want anything. We are not expecting anything, father. Tell us what you would like us to do. Name him Jaya. What we should do for you. You have already, you have become weak by working for us from our childhood. Since the day we are born till we have settled in our lives, it's only because of hard work. You have worked in the dockyard very, very hardly, loading, unloading work, and you have, strained a lot now. It's time for you to take a rest. Tell us what we should do to keep you happy. This is the attitude of a elder son in the family. So all my dear children, okay, you also have father, so you also should be like Bayaji's elder son. Even the daughters also. Okay. Daughter and son, no difference. Everybody are equal. You should also support your father, in order to ease his pain. Look, children, ours is such a large family. Bayaji is having how many? 8 children. Okay. Right? 2 daughters and 6 sons. Right? 8. And grandchildren. Bayaji's mother, Bayaji's wife. So big family, large family, joint family. Even at meal time, while having the supper or dinner, we have to eat by turns or sit crowded. We sit very congested because the house is very small. Knocking our knees together, one knee is going to touch the other me. Okay, I wish to build a house out of my earning. I wanted to construct a house, and that house is going to be with you for a longer duration of time, and so that we can lead we can live very comfortably. Okay, and it has to be a storied house. My God, it's not a normal house. It should be a story, antasthu, one-storied house. The usual three-portion house won't be adequate. 3 rooms are there, big family, unable to mingle properly, no space, no comfort. At least now, I wanted to give you a permanent present of having a big house so that you can lead very happily, very prosperously. This is what Bayaji has said. All were happy with the plan. My goodness. All the sons and even the sons' wives, that is the daughter-in-laws, and even the son-in-laws. He has 2 daughters, even the son-in-laws. Everybody were happy with the decision taken by the head of the family. The plan was finalized. Okay, architecture was called and a planning is done. The foundation of the storied house, Shankustapana. Storied house was laid on the auspicious New Year day. Finally, Bayaji decided to construct a storied house and dedicate it to his family so that they are going to have a very comfortable living. 3-portion house was not sufficient, was not quite good for them to live. This is the entire explanation of the lesson, the storied house, part 1. Hope you have understood, my dear children. Yes, if you have any doubts, you can ask me now. I'm just unmuting everybody. Right. Soebudin, Vignesh, Krantideep, Aaron, Sairam, Kalyan, everyone, please, if you have any doubt, it's better if you can ask me. I've unmuted everybody. Aditi, Sai Teja, Lavanya, Rakshita. Simply don't say good morning, Bilvika.
No doubt, sir.
Always this, general thing comes out.
What is the portion for SA1?
Yeah.
What is the portion for SA1?
Right. Vaishnavi Patil, you have asked one good question, beta. So the portion for SA1 will be first 4 units. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And try to focus on Rendava with Ray passage. Unit
Sir,
4.
first exam.
Yeah. First exam, obviously it will be Telugu. But we are trying to put it differently. Like if class 8 is having Telugu, class 9 will have Hindi, class 10 will have English. Okay. So we wanted to finish the portion even little bit, advanced. That's the reason no revision. But from tomorrow we'll take revision. First 4 units. Okay. Clear? Shankar? All right. Manipreet?
Yes, sir.
Sudhamsh? Arshani? Nikshita? Christina? So 40 marks. Paper is already prepared. Okay. Paper is already prepared. Paper 1 and paper 2. Like last year, how you have written your summative, just like that. Only thing is that you will be sitting in your house and writing it. You have to be your own judge. Should not cheat me and should not cheat your parents also. Whatever you write it here. If you're not doing it well, then we'll plan study hours differently. Okay, in Zoom only, study hour. Okay. Anything else? It's 11, almost 11 already. Okay, I need to conclude my class. Is Gayatri there? Anish?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right with the class, beta?
Yes, sir. Everything clear.
Clear. Fine. Always be like Bayaji's, son and daughter. Okay. Every one of you.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Not like daughter, sir, like elder son.
Fine. That's great then. That's really great. Being a girl, if you are like that, it's great. Good, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Aaron is not speaking anything. Anish is not speaking anything. Manipreet is not speaking anything. Of course, Pandana, she's good. She has kept her video on. And still who else? Raghav.
Clear, sir.
Clear. What is clear?
Topic is clear.
What is the lesson name, beta? See, there's a big pause now when I ask the
Storied
lesson
house.
name. Storied house.
Storied house.
Okay, okay, good, good. Sampath? Akshit? Raj Aditya? Saket? Varun? Pradyum? Siddharth? Where is Ashita? She's there?
Yes, sir.
Okay with the class, beta?
Yes, sir. Everything is clear.
Fine. Good. Shivateja? So from tomorrow, we'll be having a discussion of once all put your video mode on for 5 seconds. I'll just freeze it for attendance. Is it possible? I'm just capturing your attendance. No, okay, no issue if you don't. Sampath is showing me the fan here. Okay, fine. Okay, good to see you all here. Okay, Satvik Reddy, how are you? Manipreet? Yeah, good, better, good. Okay. Right then. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a fabulous day. Please do read well and okay, enjoy your classes. Srikruti, everything fine, beta? Understood the class? Okay. Vaishnavi, clear? Vaishnavi Patil? Clear? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we'll close for today, beta. All of you read well for your exam. Okay, do well. Okay. Thank you very much. And I'm ending the meeting. Aaron, new house, huh?